To make banana chips, begin by preheating your oven to 175 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 to 95 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and peel 4 ripe bananas. Once peeled, slice the bananas into thin slices. Make sure all of the slices are about the same width to ensure even cooking. Arrange the slices in a single layer on the baking sheet, making sure that you do not allow them to touch. Cut 2 lemons in half and drizzle freshly squeezed lemon juice over the top of all the banana slices. This helps prevent natural blackening and adds a slight tangy flavor. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake. Baking times vary depending on the thickness of the slices, so start checking the banana chips after an hour. Continue baking until you like their consistency, up to 1 hour and 45 minutes. Once they are done, remove the banana chips from the oven and allow them to cool until they harden. Then enjoy.